Hey, it's Linda with the Electric Bike Shop. I just want to show you how to put the handlebars on these bikes, because sometimes with some of the models, especially the fat tires, they come with it off. So I'm going to kind of do a reverse thing. So with the handle open, so you'll get it and your handlebars will be laying on the ground. And with no tension on the little post clamp, this is a 2mm Allen wrench. We're going to take out this little bowl right here, okay? I'm going to put this on the ground because I don't want to lose it. So this is going to slide up and out. Okay, so when you get it, that's going to be on the ground like that. And this, you see that T right there? This is going to slide into that slot right there. You see that? Okay, so when you get it, it's going to be like this, and the little bolt's going to be in there, right? So you need to open it up, take out the bolt, put the bolt in a safe place. You're going to pop this up and out. It only fits one way because of this T, right? So then I'm going to grab the handlebar post or stem, slide this on, okay? Then I'm going to slide this down into it, and I'm going to make sure that little T, so you just have to kind of like shimmy it on, it'll find its way. See how that fit in there? So now we're in, right? So now we have to put this little bolt back in there, and this guarantees that your handlebars will not slide out. Say you're folding it and it's open and it's upside down, just guarantees your handlebars will never slide out. So you just tighten it in, not too crazy tight, because you might strip it, you might strip your Allen wrench and it's a big mess. So then you're good to go, all right? And that's how you do it.